Today's top stories at NBR: a class action filed against A2 Milk, a management buyout of Auckland-based amphibious boat maker, the lesson of a fairy tale, and there's more coming right up. Kia ora and welcome to NBR Today, a wrap of the day's top business stories from the authority in New Zealand business news since 1970, nbr.co.nz. It's Wednesday, October the 6th. I'm Paul Brennan. Thanks again for joining us. The Reserve Bank has raised the official cash rate by 0.25 percentage points to 0.5%, the first rise in 7 years. The move was widely expected, and the market is anticipating it will be the first of a series of increases over the next few months towards 1.5% and possibly higher. The bank's Monetary Policy Committee said in a statement that the level of global economic activity had continued to recover, supported by accommodative monetary and fiscal settings and rising vaccination rates that enabled a relaxation of mobility restrictions. Australian litigation specialist Slater and Gordon has filed a class action against A2 Milk in the Supreme Court of Victoria, alleging misleading or deceptive conduct by the milk marketer. In a statement, Slater and Gordon said it was filing the claim on behalf of investors who bought A2 shares between August 19, 2020 and May 9, 2021. The lawsuit also accuses A2 of breaching continuous disclosure rules and posting 4 profit downgrades on September 28 and December 18 last year, and February 25 and May 10 this year. In its first ever capital raise, New Zealand-based cryptocurrency trading platform Easy Crypto has secured a whopping $17 million from institutional investors. Founded 3 years ago by brother and sister Alan and Janine Granger, Easy Crypto allows customers across New Zealand, Australia, South Africa and Brazil to buy, sell and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. Janine Granger joined the NBR's Andrew Bevan.
We got our lead funder was Nuance Connected Capital, which is a New Zealand-based venture firm that's globally connected and also purpose-driven, which is fantastic for us because we're a very purpose-driven organisation. We've also had support from Icehouse Ventures, Pathfinder, KiwiSaver Fund, and a couple of offshore entities across Asia and US. So a really great mix of different partners coming in to help us with the raise.
Easy Crypto co-founder Janine Granger with Andrew Bevan there. A management buyout of Auckland-based amphibious boat maker Sealegs has been confirmed by its owner Future Mobility Solutions, FMS. In a statement to the unlisted market where FMS shares are currently in trading halt, FMS said it had reached agreement for a buyout led by Sealegs Chief Executive David McKee-Wright. FMS said it would remain a 25% shareholder of Sealegs, but no other details of the deal structure were provided, including how much would be paid and which entity was being acquired. The Sealegs Group comprises Sealegs International Limited, Sealegs US Corporation, Sealegs Europe SAS and Lancer Industries Limited. The lesson of the fairy tale of Goldilocks and the Three Bears, after being run through the mind of a pair of NZIER economists, has produced what they call a cautionary tale for the ideal minimum wage in New Zealand, which should be not too high, not too low, just right. Economists Peter Wilson and Julie Fry said the dictum does describe the country's minimum wage at present, which was raised to $20 on April 1st this year. Peter Wilson joined the NBR's Dita Deboni.
There's a lot of rhetoric around the minimum wage, and you hear each time it goes up that either, and these are our three fears, that it's going to cost jobs or that it's not high enough to solve social problems. But no, we really don't know a lot about who gets it, what its effect on employment is, what its effect on social welfare is.
NZIER economist Peter Wilson with Dita Deboni. And a reminder that NBR's week-long special M&A feature, Dealmakers 2021, continues. Today, Wednesday, our Dealmakers team look at the who's who of M&A legal and corporate advisors with Bell Gully partner Dean Alderton, Buddle Finlay partner Grant Dunn, and more. Get the full details of those stories and more with all our breaking business news, columns and opinion at nbr.co.nz right now. Tomorrow at NBR, in his politics column, Brent Edwards on the government's damned if they do, damned if they don't dilemma. And the latest in our Dealmakers series, we look at the rise of PE and sovereign funds. I'm Paul Brennan. Join me again from around lunchtime tomorrow for the morning's NBR trending stories. Then same time, same place, right here from 5:30 again tomorrow for another NBR Today.